Hi, everyone. So I understand this investigator, Staley, who became an investigator in July of 2024. Is he dumb? Or does he just not want to do the work and he's just lazy? I really don't understand why he did not investigate. And on top of it, what does he do? He is condescending to me, and he's following his little plan of how to be nasty to me from the start, to break me down so I won't ask questions. No. I'm not going to stop ever fighting for my son. Okay? He was murdered. His things were stolen. And none of all of your stories make any sense. And you know what, basically? You didn't do any story. You didn't investigate anything. You didn't do any work. And you took orders from a 25-year-old who owns the house that my son lived in. You said, you can't go there till the 26th. The police were there, and my son was taken out of the residence by the transportation to go to the medical examiners because he was deceased. But you didn't investigate this? This isn't worthy of an investigation to you, that there's a death? And here's this very well organized person who doesn't make sense, that exactly what's at the scene doesn't even make any sense. You don't see that? How do you not see that? Maybe you don't want to see it. Oh, yeah. You just need to close the case. Yeah. And you take orders from a 25-year-old who tells you, I can't go there till the 26th. Why can't I go where my son was deceased to see what happened and what's going on and be there as part of it and have to, I'm already going through pain and suffering. Why would you add to it? And this 25-year-old landlord decides what he's going to do. And in your report, it says that he said, he heard me say the word murder, so therefore he didn't want to let me go back to retrieve my son's things. In the state of Florida, you're allowed 30 days. I barely got 2 small bits of time in an afternoon and 1 bit of a time, maybe for an hour or less on the first day, the 26th. And Danny, the landlord, was outside dancing away and telling stories and laughing and giggling. And why the roommates were there with their parents, I don't know, because from when Nicholas called me on the 24th, when he found me through Facebook, he told me that they already moved out. So when did they move out? Did they move out before my son died? Because that's a problem. Did they move out the day my son died? That's a problem. Because there was no moving out. Nicholas was going to be staying. He wasn't going to be moving out. And Connor got engaged, so he was moving out. So there's a lot of inconsistencies. And who's in charge, Staley? It's obviously not you.